Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today I'm going to talk to you about a lucky tip that all the successful people use. Yes, that is using time effectively. What time do you wake up in the morning? 7, 8, 9? Well, do you realize 90% of the people wake up very late? They sleep for at least 8 hours or more in the day. Now, the day has 24 hours, and if you are going to sleep for one third of the day, do you think you can achieve what you really want in life? Do you think you can get there? Do you think you can really achieve your goals, or you can get to the place where you have dreamed of? Well, only 10% of the people realize that every minute wasted will take them away from their goals, or will take them that bit behind as to what they had planned of. Okay? So, what do these people do? They use their time effectively. They make every use, they know how to use every minute of their time. They do not waste their time on social media. They do not waste their time entertaining people. And they do not waste their time, especially waking up late. We have Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, who wakes up at 3:45 a.m. every morning. Yes, you heard me right. He wakes up at 3:45 a.m. every single day. Then we have Howard Schultz, the CEO of Starbucks, who reaches his office by 6 a.m. Yes. So, do you realize how behind we are of these people? These people really know how to use their time effectively. They are way ahead. They get that bit of extra time, and that is why they have reached where they are today. So, how can we make this change? Try waking up at least 15 minutes early than what you do every day. Say, for instance, you wake up at 8 o'clock every day. Try waking up only 15 minutes early, that is 7:45, for at least the first week. Alright? The next week you can try waking up half an hour early. So now you're waking up at 7:30. And so forth. You can keep adjusting the time and decide a particular time that you want to reach at. And you will soon realize that it is not so difficult waking up early. The advantages of waking up early, you might ask, all right? The peace and the calm of the morning that you have, where your thoughts are so fresh, the ideas that you would get in the morning, you would be really amazed at what you can think or what you can achieve just waking up early in the morning. You don't have any distractions, you don't have the phone ringing, you don't have people shouting, you don't have somebody calling you. So all these things, they just add up to the advantage. And waking up early, the peace that you have in the morning, your mind is really productive, and what you can think of, you would be amazed at it. So try waking up early, try using this extra time that you have to your benefit, and you would be really amazed as to what you can create using that extra time. If you want to really try something, during the day, decide at least, like 1 or 2 hours, and think that you are going to do a particular thing during those 2 hours and not do anything else. Okay? And see for yourself what you have achieved in those 2 hours. Alright? As to what you would achieve just waking up early and trying to do that same thing in the morning hours, in the early hours when everybody is asleep. Say probably you can wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, and 5 to 7. See the productivity of the time that you would do during that period of time, and see the productivity that you would do during the day. Okay, you would see a huge difference. You would really see a huge difference as to what you could achieve during the morning hours and as to what you could achieve during the day. All right. And if you've still not understood the importance of time, you must ask somebody the importance of a year. A person who has lost 1 year because he has failed in his exams. If you really want to understand the importance of a month, you can ask somebody who has just had a breakup. And if you want to understand the importance of every minute, you can ask a person who has lost his dear one just because he did not reach the hospital on time. Okay, just by a few minutes. So you see, time really plays an important role in your life. The way you manage time, the way you use your time effectively, it really adds up as to what you can achieve in life. So if you really want to achieve your goals, if you really want to reach somewhere, okay, start now, start from today. Learn to wake up early, learn to use your time effectively if you want to reach somewhere, okay? Because nobody else is going to do that for you. All right? Take care.